Hi guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to fix Facebook ad reels option are not showing. First, click the menu bar at the bottom right corner. Click Help and Support. Tap Report a Problem. Find ads, then click it. Tap Screenshot, then you need to screenshot the problem. After that, message them of what is the problem in your ads. You can use my message. After that, send it. Then, your report is now submitted. It will take 24 to 48 hours to fix or to get a feedback by Facebook. Then that's it. That's how you fix Facebook ads on Reels options. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you on my next tutorials.